Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you everyone? I hope all is well. I am your trainer with the voice of Qur'an. Today we will learn about Alif in the lesson number 1 from Madani qaida. We will pronounce always Alif. We won't pronounce like this Alif and also won't pronounce like this Alif. It means Alif will be pronounced without stretching and without sudden pausing. It is the correct pronunciation of Alif. So, we will pronounce always Alif. Keep watching the voice of Quran for more learn about Quran and tajweed. Assalamu alaikum wa